Now we are out in the wild south of Spain picking nettles. Ortiga Verde in Spanish, Brännässeln in Deutsch, Brännässla, and in Norway, I don't know. Root. What are they called in Norway?
We call them Brännässla.
Brännässla.
Yeah.
Oh. And Atos is here with us, grazing. It's a lot of green grass here. And as you see, Linda doesn't wear any gloves. She likes pain. No, but she just. Can you explain the thing if you've
got arthritis in your hands, it does them good, makes them feel better, because the nettles hurt and the arthritis doesn't.
or you are a masochist. So anyhow, these are very small and they don't sting so much, but I wear gloves anyway. And you can pick them even if they are a little bit bigger than this. And normally you only pick the tip. So even if they are a little bit bigger, you pick the new leaves. And then I will bring them home to my kitchen, and there I will show you how to make a soup. So, hello everybody. Now nettles are home, and actually I need to do a new video because I did one and then I didn't film very well, so you couldn't see what I was doing. So now I'm doing it again, and I will now rinse the nettles. If you want, you can wear gloves. And as you see, I picked them very short, just the tip. If you have a lot of long things, you can of course take it away. And if you want to invite people that never had nettles before, maybe they will be a little bit sensitive, then you can make the pieces more small. This is for me, so I'll just make sure to get rid of any kind of snails in here. So now I have hot water, so I will put like half of the nettles in here. And let them boil for like 30 seconds, 1 minute. Now these here are ready, so I will put this one over here. I hope you can see today. And now I take them out. So I save the water for next round. So here's the other half. And you see, I don't want to use too much water, so just enough water. That's why I do them half and half, because then I don't need too much water. And I just want them to get all hot and soft. Now I have the water from the nettles under here, and now I want them to get a little bit cold. In the meantime, I put some olive oil, and I already prepared here garlic. I love garlic. A little bit more oil because I have a lot of garlic. And if you don't want the big pieces, you can press them or you can chop them in smaller pieces. I like it, so I keep them a little bit big. And I also think when you do them like this, you can make them more caramelized. And the process here, I hope this time you actually can see what I'm doing, so I don't need to do a new video again. And now I wait for the garlic to be a little bit like soft brown. I don't want them to burn. So here you need to stir and smell. When they start to smell a little bit sweet, and you see they start to change color to be like a little bit color on them. And of course you have some small pieces, they get a little bit more brown, but you definitely don't want them to burn. So a good way to, when you see now it's the time, now they are perfect, then I put some white wine, then I stop the process, then they will not get burned. So it smells lovely. And here I put some bouillon, brie. I put some white pepper, and then you can choose if you want it very healthy. You put more of this liquid, because here we have a lot of vitamins and minerals. If you don't want to use all of this, you can save this and use for other dishes. You can drink it as a tea. I like it, so I put some of it. Then of course you can just make it like this. If you want, you can put cream in. You can put some flour and milk. Of course you can make it vegan with vegan soya cream or whatever. I want this to boil a little bit, like reduce it a little bit to make more of this green flavor. And today I do all of it so you can see what happened here. I'll put a little bit of cream, a little bit of milk. Yeah. And then some flour. This is special to make it more easy to make it thick. I don't want it too thick, but still I want a little bit of help of this. So now it's time to take care of this one. And when they are like this, you can freeze them. So you can either chop them in small pieces, or you can freeze the whole thing. And if you have people for dinner that are not used to nettles, I suggest you chop them very small. If you're a big nettle fan, you can keep them a little bit bigger. So now this is start to get a little bit thick from the flour. I will finish this for another one, and I don't want it to boil too much here. I like it a little bit more creamy, so I put some more cream in. And I put the nettles in. If you love nettles, you can put a lot of nettles in. If you're a little bit more skeptic, you can make them smaller and don't put too much. Now we can look at it and see if we think it's too thick. We can just add a little bit of this. If you think it's not thick enough, you add a little bit more flour. And the most important thing of all, the magnet. Muscada, I think it's called in Spanish. Muscot in Swedish. In German, I don't know. And I don't want it to boil too much there. If you like it, you put a lot of this. If you don't like it so much, you add a little. And if you think you need more salt, pepper, you can make it as you want it. And now back to this. I will put this in the freezer, then I have it ready. Then it's very quick. If I want to do this again, I just take it out and prepare it. Then it's like 10 minutes and then it's ready. I hope you enjoyed the video. And I hope you will enjoy your soup when you make it.